How to download CapCut on MacBook. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, in order to download CapCut, make sure your MacBook is connected to a proper working internet connection, and now go ahead and open App Store on your MacBook. You will see a search bar now, so tap on the search bar and search for CapCut there. Now, if you have previously downloaded the application, you will see the download button with little cloud-like icon. So tap on that for the download to begin. And if you have not downloaded the application previously, you will see the Get button. So go ahead and now tap on the Get button and enter your Face ID or Apple ID password for the download to begin. Your download will begin shortly, and now wait for the download to complete, and once downloaded, launch the application by simply tapping on the open option you see there, and this is how you can download CapCut on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.